forward to California's big reopening tomorrow, we are also looking back at some of the local scientists who have made major contributions throughout the pandemic. Our ABC 10 News anchor Derek Stahl joins us live from one lab that has repeatedly drawn attention in Washington. Derek.
Well, to be sure, a lot of San Diego scientists have published important work on COVID-19, but our analysis found none had more influence than the folks in this building. Right here, they have a freezer full of blood samples from patients. Just down this way, they actually keep fragments, harmless fragments of the coronavirus. And their work on all of this has generated national attention.
Dr. Fauci, do protests increase the spread of the virus?
Last July, there was a high-profile hearing on Capitol Hill.
You just said that protests increase the spread. I'm just asking you, should we try to limit the protests?
Representatives grilled Dr. Anthony Fauci on everything from masks to the origin of the virus. And then the conversation shifted to this.
And also a paper from NIH grantees from La Jolla just came out in the journal Cell. This is work that we really need to pursue. We're just at the cusp of understanding the importance of this type of response in COVID-19.
Dr. Fauci was referring to research out of the Jolla Institute for Immunology.
Yeah, we heard about it from a whole lot of people really fast.
Work led by Dr. Shane Crotty and Dr. Alessandro Setti.
That was certainly a high moment.
The two senior scientists are experts in how the immune system responds to viruses. So when the pandemic hit,
we actually started very early.
They put their labs to work, running calculations and collecting samples, and they didn't stop.
My wife basically said bye to me for a while and told the kids not to expect to see me for a long time. I think I was at work for like 200 days straight in 2020.
Using these machines, they measure what it takes to beat the virus, examining frozen samples from patients to reveal secrets about our antibodies and white blood cells called T cells.
What T cells do, they recognize infected cells and they eliminate them. So T cells are not very good at preventing infection, but they are good in controlling infection.
Last summer, one of their papers on T cells became a talking point for an advisor to then President Donald Trump.
There is immunity. There is already existing immunity.
He and others started claiming it was evidence we had already reached herd immunity and could safely reopen. Your research kind of became politicized a little bit. And how did you feel about that?
It was complicated.
They quickly came out publicly and said their research was being misconstrued.
That we fought against as clearly as we could and said, look, you're just saying the wrong things. This doesn't exist.
The ensuing surge of COVID deaths in the winter sadly proved they were right. Since then, Setti and Crotty have led projects examining how long our immune protection lasts and if the vaccines can hold up against variants.
All the signals are very encouraging.
And the White House has continued to feature them.
This is a slide which schematically diagrams the immune response to SARS-CoV-2.
To get a sense of the impact of their work, ABC 10 News enlisted the help of analytics company Clarivate. They searched roughly 20,000 journals for COVID research and produced a list of the 20 most highly cited papers written by San Diego scientists. 6 of the 20 were led by Drs. Setti or Crotty, the most of any scientific team in San Diego. The work that you and Dr. Setti have done throughout the pandemic, what are you most proud of?
I'll tell you, I do actually think about that a lot because the whole thing's been so stressful and so draining that it's really helpful to be able to look back.
I think of a team of people that have worked on it. It's really been a tremendous collaborative effort.
We've definitely done everything we can to help generate a scientific understanding of what happens in COVID-19, to see people use that science as an example of how our understanding has changed, has been phenomenal.
And they hope to release yet another study this week. UC San Diego and Scripps Research also published highly cited studies, and you can find the entire list on 10news.com. Live in La Jolla, I'm Derek Stahl, ABC 10 News.
And Derek, I think in your story, collaboration is the key. I know that Dr. Erica Ullman-Sapphire and her team, they've also collaborated with other scientists throughout the world. The work that's happening in that lab is just amazing.
It is, absolutely.
All right, Derek, thank you. Okay.